Yo, what are you doing? You're supposed to clean up your stuff. It's been 2 weeks. What I'm doing? Well, I'm asking myself that again and again, and most of the time I don't really know, but I know one thing. I like Peacock Bass. I like them a lot, and I'm actually preparing to go after them again. Well, what should I say? I wasn't planning on fishing Peacock Bass this season for the single reason that I can't afford it, because over the last couple of years it got pretty expensive, but I got offered a trip that I just couldn't say no, and so for the first time ever I had to lend money to go fishing, which I'm not sure how to feel about it, but I think I wouldn't be at peace if I passed on this situation. I got that delusional idea or that goal to catch a world record peacock bass. My overall personal goal would be to catch a 30-pound peacock bass, which is pretty delusional, but I'm sure it's somehow possible. I don't know if I ever will achieve that goal, and even if not, that's totally cool. I spent around 30 weeks in the jungle now, fishing for peacock bass. I guided a little bit, but mostly I was just fishing and burning through my savings. To be honest, I couldn't say that I've ever been close to catch a peacock bass that size, but I've seen some monstrous fish over those past couple of years. I lost some really big ones, probably not a 30-pounder, but I lost some huge fish, I would say. And I've seen some even bigger fish, and I heard stories about 30-pounders being caught. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna try to do again the coming days. I really don't expect it to happen, but the cool thing about fishing is that there's always a chance that it might happen. You never know. Over the years, I gained some experience. I talked to a lot of experienced jungle anglers. I narrowed it down a little bit on where I think the biggest peacock bass could live. That's not for sure. That's just my theory, but in the end you gotta believe it in something, and if you gain new information, if you learn new things, you might adapt and change those theories. Right now, where I'm going in a couple of days, I'm pretty confident that really big fish are swimming around it in that river. So I arrived in Bogota. Tomorrow I'm heading out for the channel finally. And I just realized almost exactly 10 years ago I fished in Colombia for the first time. And since then I've been coming back here every season, so that's my 10th season here, which is pretty crazy itself, I think. I sure feel very privileged to have been able to do this for all those years. Not just my fascination for the peacock bass grew over those times, but also the popularity of peacock bass fishing in Colombia grew every season, and with it the prices just have been going up and up and up, so every year it gets more difficult for me to afford to fish here. So I really hope the next few seasons are gonna be able to fish here again somehow, but yeah, we will see what life brings in the end. And for now I'm just happy that I got the chance to do this trip here, and for the coming days I just wish for a good time and one or two big fish, of course. We'll see. Vamos! Day one, actually day two, but they cancelled our flight the day before. We arrived yesterday. We were supposed to fish yesterday already, but that didn't happen. We arrived in the afternoon in the camp, and I was pretty quick setting up my shit, but the others weren't ready, and somehow I wasn't allowed to go out fishing. I just had to help them with knots and whatever. So I just got to fish for the last hour and had one bite, and that was it. Now it's finally time to fish. As I said, we already lost a day, so not too happy about that, but in the end it doesn't make really sense to get angry about the situation or anything. And I said it before, whatever it takes, and I'm just gonna try to make the best out of it. My focus is on big fish, and now for day one just want to try to to connect with some fish, see what they're up to at this time now, and hopefully from there we figure something out and connect to a giant. Let's go.
Oh, puta madre.
You have it? With the huge one.
Yeah.
Good, man.
Amazing, man. It is a dolphin or not?
No.
It's a nice fish. Hey, sáquelo, sáquelo, sáquelo. Ay, sáquelo.
Mira, mira.
Good, man. Amazing. Good, man.
Look it up.
Oh, oh,
To be quick.
oh, yes. You have to be quick.
Yeah. It's coming, it's coming.
Oh, shit. Oh, my God. That's a fish.
Oh!
That's a fish, my friend. Yeah.
Eso no es, ¿eh?
Okay. That's crazy.
Ah, qué bonito. So, first day of fishing is done. Wasn't too bad. Already got like 2 nice ones, so yeah, I can't complain. And I got my first true Balam peacock, which I'm pretty happy about. That was really cool, and I had a couple of followers on that thing too. So yeah, I'm gonna try it in the coming days as well, and hope for an even bigger one. Not too bad. The water as expected, it's a bit cold and dirty from the rain the past few days, which might not be ideal, but it is what it is. We can't change that. There seem to be some fish active, which is cool to see. So yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow and gonna make the best out of the situation, I guess. And of course, try to catch some more big fish. That's what I'm here for, and yeah, looking forward to that. Peace. So yeah, day 2. It's lightly raining outside, not ideal, but what you want to do. Speaking about not ideal, I forgot my gloves yesterday. I didn't wear any gloves and my hand now looks like that. It's not ideal neither. It's pretty swollen, kind of hurts, but yeah, there's not much to do, I guess, besides wearing gloves today. It's now like, I don't know, 4:30 in the morning. We're about to having breakfast and then we're heading out. Looking forward to another day on the water, and hopefully, with like using my hand, the swellings will go a little bit down. Usually as soon as you get into climated rooms, those bites are gone. It's just like really uncomfortable now, but yeah, I have nobody else who went than myself, so I didn't expect them to be that nasty here, but should have known better. So yeah, day 2, let's go.
You get it?
No, it's yeah.
A good fish.
Palo gigante. 10 libras.
You got it? Yeah. They're beginning to wake up. Those fuckers are really energetic.
I'm not sure if it's a Peacock Bass. Ah,
Fuck, man!
Paco!
What the fuck? Wow, look, baby! It's okay. It's a big one, you know?
Oh, you ready?
Oh man, she's not ready. No, they are bullfighters. No! Oh! Fuck, good.
Wow, man, monster.
It's a monster. No.
Here, take my rod, please. Come. Take it.
He has gloves.
Quel poisson.
17! Surprise, surprise. Really heavy. day 2 is over. Mixed feelings, I would say. The weather wasn't ideal today. It was like cloudy and rainy until the afternoon when finally the sun came up at least a little bit. So yeah, water seems pretty cold and muddy for this river here. Yeah, the fish didn't seem to be this active. Funny surprise, I caught my first pacu, and not even a small one, so that was fun. And I caught a decent, really cool butterfly of like over 7 pounds, which is pretty cool for that species. So it wasn't all bad, but on the other hand, I lost like one big one. That's the thing, if you're fishing with big lures, you win some and you lose a lot. It wasn't all bad. We still got 3 days left here. I hope to catch some more. Can't say I'm truly happy because like how we fish isn't completely to my liking, but then again, that's just an opinion, and I'm just a guest here, or at least I see myself as a guest and appreciate the opportunity to be here. So I don't want to complain and make the trip like bad for others. So I still get to fish. I still get 3 more days left to get a true giant. I'm mostly just fishing like big lures to try to get that one bite. Of course, that's a risky tactic. You might not get any fish in the end, or catch way less fish than others do while they run through smaller ones and end up with a bigger one too. So it's still my mission, and I'm gonna stick with that. So yeah, enough with the complaining. I'm here. I mean, I'm happy to be here. Always be happy to be in the jungle, and looking forward to 3 more days of fishing. On a side note, my hand still looks even worse now, and doesn't feel great, but they gotta work somehow, and it's gonna go away again. And let's see what day 3 brings.